Okay, I'm back. I've played around with the layout a little bit more and pretty simple updates, though I might be trying to cram too much into one scene. Don't know. Would love your opinion. Um, so, just to back over here, I think the only thing I changed over here was I swapped the office and the loading dock for the building supply company. And that'll basically leave like this huge center in the area for customer parking, plus an area here. Because I think that's one thing that we tend to skip out on in our layouts and designs is space for parking and, yeah, I mean, unfortunately, compression and trying to cram as much in as possible. But you can kind of see the lines here, but I did the math on a two lane 12-foot road, 3.5 inches coming up through. I don't know if I'm gonna have it go through here or not because of what I changed with the track layout. So originally I was just gonna have one number 6 over here going off to this lead, but in X Track CAD I was able to fit two number 5s, Walther's number 5s, and still have 17 inches along this second spur, which should be enough for a 50-foot box car and a locomotive. So then I've been playing around with, because I just had all this like dead space over here, and I was like, I don't know what to do with it. So this is the base to the Walther's Merchant Road number 5. This is the base to Reliable Warehouse or something. I don't know. I've had this. This was like the first Walther's kit I bought when I was like a teenager. Still not done. And this is the sort of like the footprint for DMP. I think it's like some electric company or something. I don't know. It looked like a really cool model. It's on sale on modeltrainstuff.com right now, and I don't know. It kind of looked like a fun model to build. The other thing I could do is not make this. This is a little line here. That's actually an 18-inch radius. So I could try to cram it all in. I don't know if there'll be room here for either pedestrians or cars in a little road. I don't know if I want a road to come out this way. I could always flip it so that the road goes straight and the electric company is sort of on this side, because it looks like the track goes through for loading. And yeah, so that's kind of been my update. I've been just trying to play around with stuff, trying to look to see what models I already have kicking around so I don't have to buy stuff, because I'm already having to buy the background buildings and this Pike Stuff kit, and then not only do I have to buy it, I have to build them all and weather them and make them look good and light them up and do everything that I like to do. And then today I got itchy and went to Lowe's and looked at lumber and told myself, no, let's just work on this one. Don't build your 2x6 yet. This basement's too crowded as it is. So, by having that 2x6 here at this end could change the way I have this lead come out, because I could just have it cross over. I don't know. So, yeah, that's what I've been thinking. That's what I've been playing with. So, be sure to subscribe. Click the notification bell, like the video, do everything. I'll be sure to try to update a lot more frequently, because now I'm really excited about this and I feel like I have something to work on in my nights after the baby goes to bed. So, yeah, I will catch you guys later this week. Thanks.